Okay, here we go. Homework Helpers Unit 26 for Grade 5. 1, 2 and 3 are very normal. You should be fine with those. Question number 4, the value of the 8 in 20,897. That should give you a clue. It's place value. Complete the pattern. Figure out what they did to each number to get to the next. Change the fraction to a decimal. We've been doing that in class. You should be fine with that. But to give you a clue, it will be 0.something 0. What change will I get from $20 after spending $3.75 and $5.95? You should add the $3.75 and $5.95 together and then take it away from $20. 0.25%. 0.25, change it to a percent. You should be fine with that. Round off 2.6 metres to the nearest metre. Is it closer to 2 metres or 3 metres? Share 364 lollies equally amongst 3 boys and a girl. So that's 4 people in total. That would be 364 divided by 4. Set that out as a division sum. Measurement. 1 hour after 11:15 in 24-hour time. Interesting. You should be fine with that. I'll give you a clue. It's not going to be 12 o'clock or 12:15. It's going to be something different. 3.56 kilograms. That's the same as saying 3.560 kilograms. To change it to grams, you could simply remove the decimal point. So it's not 3.560 kilograms, it would be 3560 something. Number 13, scale on a map is 1 centimetre equals a kilometre. If A and B are 3 centimetres apart on the map, then in real life they are. You should be fine with that. Moving on to number 14. Correct this statement if necessary. The paddock has an area of 5 hectares squared. That's what the HA stands for. Number 15. A prism. 3 times 5 times 2. We're figuring out capacity, in effect volume as well. And the formula for volume is length times width times height. Which object is the hotter? You should be fine with that. Space. As you look down a road, the road appears to widen, get narrower, or stay the same width. You should be okay with that. Use a protractor to measure the angle. Yeah, you might have to borrow one from school if you don't have one at home. Number 19. Which quadrilateral has 4 lines of symmetry? Okay. Number 20. Southeast is directly opposite to... Well, you would draw up the compass coordinates, wouldn't you? North, south, east or west. Figure out where southeast is. And give you a clue. Southeast would be on the bottom right. And then what would be opposite to the bottom right? The top what? And what would that be on the coordinates? At the end of the year, how much money will each child have received? You should be okay with that too. Okay, it's by the end of the year. So each week... they tell us how much money they receive in cents. So Jenny gets $1, Lisa 80 cents, and so on and so forth. So you'll need to times that by 52, because that's their pocket money per week. And then there's a probability sum down the bottom for you. Okay, moving on to the comprehension. We've got an article to read about Robert Louis Stevenson. We've got some standard comprehension questions. Moving on, we have number 4, some more comprehension questions, but you need to choose which one is the most appropriate answer. Okay, we've got sequence of events. We need to order them as it took place. Number 5. Okay, number 6, rewrite the misspellings. You should be used to that. Just figure out which word is spelled incorrectly. Find the listed word which has nearly the same meaning as the word underlined. So we've got some words that have similar meanings, so we're looking at synonyms there. Okay, number 10, we've got some homonyms here, blue and blue. And number 13, or 10, 11, 12 are the same. Number 13, rewrite the sentence so that it happened yesterday. So you will need to write that in past tense. And then number 14, you punctuate as usual. Alright, that's the homework helpers for grade 5 for Unit 26.